to it. It's amazing.
Hi, Cody.
Hi.
Austin. Wave.
And that's Danny.
Hi.
So we had a girls' night last night, and she ate my vagina, and I sucked her penis.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we kind of molested McKenna and Sam. It was pretty great. And this is my pussy. I do what I want.
Yeah, we're at my work. Pretty nifty.
And we woke up at 8 just to drive bitches home.
I know.
Fuck that.
8 o'clock in the morning.
Fuck that. Could've slept an extra hour.
Hi.
So I want to go back to Spinway Lake.
We're looking. Surf and Bird! Go back and play Surf and Bird!
This is what we've been doing all morning. All fucking morning.
He's just like, what the fuck?
Stealing the Surfing Bird, Surfing Bird, best bird dance on YouTube, the Trash Men Surfing Bird.
Trashman.
Okay.
We are playing
The Trash Man Surfing
Surf
Bird.
and Bird.
Dude.
Everybody's heard about the bird.
Bird, bird. The bird's the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's bird. Put that on there.
Put it on YouTube, be like, that's Blueberry.
Yeah.
That's Blueberry. Kevin's a slut and Heather's a whore, so we're gonna put that on YouTube just for you, Heather.
I love you.
No, you don't. Don't lie to her.
Look, I love you.
Don't lie to her. She's dirty. She's icky.
There's a camera. And it's empty. And my coffee. I'm bored. Leave me alone.
And we're fatties, obviously.
Oh, it went away. Where did it go?
I don't know. For
What
some
the
reason,
fuck?
I went to Britney.
Brittany.
I'm listening to Britney, bitch.
Brittany.
It's pretty, bitch.
What a whore. I can see you.
I make my own music video.
You fucking gay. What do we want to listen to?
I don't know.
Lollipop.
Yeah.
Pop. Who sang that? Who sang that? You know who sang that? Who sang that?
I don't know.
The old Lollipop.
I don't know.
Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, lolly, lolly. The sisters, something fucking old time and shit.
Here. This one just says lollipop. No, it doesn't sound.
Fuck that.
There we go. The
Dancing
dancing.
song. We used to run around from like 6th grade to like 10th.
Lollipop,
singing this every day.
lolly, lolly, lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lollipop. It's a band called Parkwood.
You're in Parkland?
Yeah.
People in Washington don't know.
Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop. My camera's gonna die. Okay, wait, bye.
Bye!